Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Math, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to solve with unknown coefficients. So what do I mean by this? Well, let's look at an example. So suppose you have the question 9d plus rd is equal to negative 7d plus 16. So our aim in this question is to find out d, okay, let me circle that, in terms of all the other variables and numbers, right? And so the way we're going to do this is we're just going to move stuff around, divide, add, multiply, subtract, whatever we need to do as we normally do in order to isolate d. So let's do that. First off, let's move all the d terms to the left side. So all that means this time is just adding 7d. So add 7d. And so you'll have that 16d plus rd is equal to 16. And now, this is where we're going to use a smart move. We're going to use the distributive property here. We're going to take d common, and then in parentheses, let me make that parentheses look better. We're going to have 16 plus r. And again, this is all equal to 16. Now, the only step we have left to do is just divide both sides by 16 plus r. So let's do that. So, mark out our line. 16 plus r. Same thing over here. 16 plus r cancels out on the left side. And so we're going to be left with that d is equal to 16 over 16 plus r. So this is our final answer. And note, you can't simplify this down into something else like 1 plus 1 over r or anything, because the whole denominator is 16 plus r. So you can't just like take 16 and 16 as a part of it. And so therefore, this right here, d is equal to 16 over 16 plus r, is our final answer. Let's try with another question. So suppose you have 17c is equal to negative 4c plus 31 plus dc. So again, we're just going to do the same thing we did last time. Put all the c's on one side, and then the numbers, we're going to keep it where it is. So, add 4c while subtracting dc on both sides, of course. And again, the 4c's cancel out, the dc's cancel out, so you're going to be left with 21c minus dc is equal to 31. And again, we're going to use the distributive property. So we're going to have 21 minus d parentheses c is equal to 31. And all you have to do now is just divide both sides by 21 minus d. And so we are going to be left with c is equal to 31 divided by 21 minus d. And that is our final answer. And so now you know how to solve for a variable with unknown coefficients. Remember, all you have to do is just the same things we usually do. Do whatever the inverse of the given operations are in order to get the variable by itself in terms of everything else you've been given. And that's all for this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and follow us on TikTok at simplymath_. Thanks for watching.